Magandang buhay po sa lahat. Ang awiting ito ay ni-request ni Mr. Godo Makalalad at iniaalay niya sa kanyang mga grade 6 classmates, class 1975 ng Kinatihan 2. At shout out na rin kay Mayor Ogie Suwayan ng Candelaria, Quezon Province. When I feel like the world's gone mad and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are, I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far. We've sworn at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I've stared at this walls and they've made me blue. All along in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you. No questions in the air, no asking why or where, no looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days,